Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi Raikwar. I am from class 10th from Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 school. Today I am going to tell about art integrated project. I will tell you about the alphabet of Manipur. In English, K. In Manipur, Kok. In English, S. In Manipur, Sam. In English, L. In Manipur, Lai. In English, M. In Manipur, Myth. In English, P. In Manipur, Pa. In English, N. In Manipur, Na. In English, CH. In Manipur, Chin. In English, T. In Manipur, Til. English, KH. In Manipur, Khau. In English, NG. In Manipur, Nagu. In English, TH. In Manipur, Thau. In English, W. In Manipur, Y. In English, Y. In Manipur, Young. In English, H. In Manipur, Hook. In English, U. In Manipuri, Yon. In English, E. In Manipur, E. In English, PH. In Manipur, Paham. In English, A. In Manipur, Atya. In English, J. In Manipur, Gok. English, JH. In Manipur, Jaham. In English, R. In Manipur, Rai. In English, B. In Manipur, Ba. In English, J. In Manipur, Jil. In English, D. In Manipur, Dil. In English, GH. In Manipur, Ghau. In English, DH. In Manipur, Dhau. English, BH. In Manipur, Baham. Thank you so much.